So digging into the numbers, as I looked at it, when we started with AutoLeap, we were doing just somewhere in the neighborhood of $2 million in service sales a year. Um, Year over year, we saw about a 20% increase from 23 to 24, from 24 to 25. We are now we have grown tremendously. We're now about $3.5 million in service sales, and what that's really attributed to are a couple things. One is the being able to really have our finger on the pulse of our KPIs. So really looking at things like you know, average repair order, how many repair orders, but also looking at gross margins. Uh, those are the things that really help us, and we look every week at those things to know if we're on the right track. But I think the thing that has helped us the most is just how we are able to interact with our customers. So, being a company that's always been very much about transparency with our customers, the digital vehicle inspections have really helped us push that along. That we've always wanted to show customers what we're seeing on the car. So being able to take four corner pictures when the car comes in, taking pictures of all the things that we see on the digital vehicle inspection, being able to really take a lot of notes. Each technician has an iPad in the back to do their digital inspections. Again, these are also KPIs that we can track. We can see what technicians are doing DVIs versus which technicians are not, or which technicians are doing better ones than others. So it's having all of those data points to be able to look at is what helps us then gauge, say, month to month, what we need to work on. And then having those DVIs in the hands of the customer to really very comprehensively tell them what their car needs. I think that's really what has made the difference. I mean, of course, you can say, well, some of it's inflationary, and probably some of it is, but certainly not all of it. And we know that because when we look at things like parts cost and parts cost ratios, that helps us weed out inflationary rises as an answer. That might count for 10% or something like that, or maybe even 20. But then the growth that we've had in service has primarily been from AutoLeap. So having those digital vehicle inspections to send to customers and being able to interact with customers through text has really helped our communication with the customer, and therefore that just translates into a better repair order, and a better repair order for us, and a better repair order for the customer, frankly, because they know exactly what they're getting and they understand why they're getting it. They can actually visually see their low brake pad. They can visually see their rusted brake rotor. They can visually see their leaking water pump. I have not been a big fan of the digital vehicle inspections that are used where the technician walks around the car and points out all the things. I would say that you really need technicians that are nearly service advisors to be able to do that, because at the end of the day, you still want to present things in a really professional manner. And I mean, that's not the strong suit of a lot of technicians. Not saying that that's not the strong suit of all of them, but so I think that's the role of the service advisor. So our service advisors get these great DVIs that we could not get from any of the other service management systems that we've looked at or worked with, and I think we just have tremendous growth because of AutoLeap, and I'm very proud to endorse AutoLeap to other dealers in the industry, because I think ultimately it is a great step forward for the customer, because the customer gets a lot more information, and it's a lot easier for us as a shop to get that information in the hands of the customer.